you so much. Welcome once again to Gourmet School of Culinary Art. Today we are going to prepare vegetables. This is a green chopping board for vegetables, and I will be showing you guys the more different color coded chopping boards as we move on. And now we are going to use this chef knife. The chef knife normally has between 8 to 12 inches. Hold your thumb and index finger on each side of the knife handle. Please use the knife with the same hand you write with, and your free hand which guides the knife activity will be placed in the crop position. This is the best way to keep your fingers safe to avoid injuries. When cutting, the guide hand is moving and the knife is following. Please don't chop over the first knuckle. Do not go too high when you are using the knife. Now that you understand how you hold the knife perfectly to prevent injury, and the first vegetable cut we are starting with is slicing. We are going to slice cucumber. For cucumbers, you can also peel the cucumbers when the skin is really hard, but you can also peel a little bit just to make a decorations, especially for salads. And then after doing this, you can also slice until the end. The second cut is paysan cut. The paysan cut, we are going to cut the carrot into 5 centimeters portions, and we scale the sides to get the rectangles. This paysan can also have the round shape or rectangle shape or square shape. And then after cutting those squares or those rounds, we can slice. We are going to slice into 3 millimeters thickness. The next cut we are going to perform is juliennes, carrot juliennes. We are going to cut the carrot into 5 centimeters portions, and we scale the carrots and we slice the carrot into 1.5 millimeters thickness. To compose the thin slices, and then we cut into thin strips. This is the best way to get brunoise. What we do, cut into small dices, really small dices to get brunoise. The next vegetable cut is Batonnet. The Batonnet, we are going to cut the carrot into 5 centimeters long length, and we scale off all the sides of the carrot, and we cut into sticks. These sticks can be eaten raw with dips or roasted, can also be steamed, salted in side dishes into small medium cubes to get dice. Those carrot dices can also be used in different dishes. With these dice, we can cut small dices, large dices or large dices. We can also produce medium dices. It all depends on the dish we are going to prepare. The next vegetable cut is chiffonade. The chiffonade is to cut thin strips of the flat leafy vegetable or larger leaf herb. It's cutting techniques that you can use with different things like lettuce, spinach or basil, and it really looks elegant when those leaves are mixed or topped on the dish. Now this is what we do for having a nice chiffonade. First of all, for having nice chiffonade, we trim the leafy vegetables. After trimming, we are going to stack all the leaves, and we roll, and then we cut into strips. We are going to show you how we can mince the garlic. For chopping the garlic, we are going to peel simply by squeezing the garlic with knife, and after squeezing the garlic with knife, then we are going to peel the garlic easily, and then we slice, and then after slicing we cross chop. This is what we call cross chopping. Then we will finally chop the garlic. This is how we can get minced garlic. This is another amazing but challenging vegetable cut, diamond cut. The diamond cut is the cut we can scale the carrots or any item we are cutting. We scale. After scale, we can slice in different. We make 45 degrees angle cuts on all sides. So now this is the last vegetable cutting techniques for today. We are going to perform roll cut. For the roll cut, we are going to hold the knife at 45 degrees angle, and then we cut and keep rolling a half turn, keeping the same angle until the end. Thank you so much for watching, dear friends, and hope you have enjoyed the episode for today. Now, as you can see, we have tried to show basic vegetable cuts. Learning vegetable cuts is really important, especially when the uniformity and sizes of the ingredients are essential in a recipe. And it's really an important aspect every chef, everyone who wants to become a professional cook should learn. Please learn, practice every day. I know it feels uncomfortable at the beginning, but the more you practice, the better you become. I would like to thank everyone for watching and supporting this channel. Please share to your friends and leave comments just to make this online school successful. Thank you so much once again for watching, for visiting our channel, School of Culinary Art. Bye bye.